Cash App allows linking any U.S. bank account, including savings, for adding or withdrawing funds, but only debit cards or checking accounts with ACH routing account numbers work directly. Most savings accounts lack debit cards, so use ACH details, routing plus account number from your bank's online portal or check. Linking is free, instant, and secure via Plaid. Steps: open Cash App, tap Money tab, dollar icon. Scroll to linked banks, tap Link Bank or plus Add Bank. Choose manual entry, skip Plaid if savings not listed. Enter bank name, for example, Chase Ally. Routing number, 9 digits. Find on check or bank app. Account number, full, no dashes. Account type, select savings. Tap link. Verify via micro deposits. 2 small amounts less than $1 appear in 1 to 3 days. Confirm amounts in Cash App. Verify. Tips: instant link. Use bank login via Plaid if supported. Faster. Add cash. Only from checking or debit. Savings can't fund directly but can receive withdrawals. Withdraw. Send to savings anytime. 1 to 3 days free. Unlink. Linked banks. Tap bank. Remove.